How to make iced coffee. First, I put ice in the blender. Yan. Arba. Then I put milk. Oops. 1 spoon. Add little bit. Yan. Okay. And then Nescafe. 2-in-1. Then I add sugar. Depends on your taste, okay? And then 1 glass of water I add here. Okay. And then I put here in the blender machine. Yes. Then I press. This is the finish of iced coffee. You can see what now. Okay. Ay! Ito na yung laso. Ayan na yung iced coffee.